Hello students, I am Poulami ma'am and welcome to Concept to Remember series of Ogroni.
In this video, you are going to learn about the division Gymnosperms. The word gymnosperm means naked seed in Greek language, where gymnos means naked and sperma means seed. They are so named because gymnosperms do not produce fruits and seeds remain exposed to the environment. Now let's discuss about the general characteristics of gymnosperms. Habitat. The most widespread gymnosperms are conifers, which include pine and spruce and are mostly found in high altitude cold snowy mountains. Their distinct conical shape helps them to shed heavy snow. Whereas the cycads are mostly found in tropical and subtropical region, often growing in challenging environment like sand dunes and steep rocks. Body structure. The main plant body is dominant diploid vascular sporophyte. Since they are vascular, they have xylem and phloem tissue for water and nutrient transport. The plant body is divided into root, stem, and leaves. Root system in gymnosperms. The root in Pinus is taproot system, where there is a main thick central root growing vertically downwards with lateral smaller roots branching off. The roots in Cycas are coralloid, that is, root looks like corals, where the roots are dichotomously branched, that is, the roots are divided and organized in two distinct branches, and apogeotropic, that is, it grows upwards away from the gravity. The stem is erect and woody. It is branched in Pinus and unbranched in Cycas. Leaves are needle-like in Pinus and pinnate leaves are seen in Cycas. Reproductive structures are organized into cones called strobili. Plants can be heterosporous, that is, male and female cones are born on the same plant, or homosporous, where the male and female cones are born on different plants. Male strobili are smaller and are called microstrobili, whereas female strobili are bigger and are called megastrobili. Unlike bryophytes and pteridophytes, the gametophytes of gymnosperms are reduced and are totally dependent on the sporophyte. Now let's discuss the structure of microstrobili and megastrobili in detail. Microstrobili. Microstrobili are the distinct smaller male cones. Microstrobili consist of modified leaves called microsporophylls arranged spirally around a central axis. Inside the microsporophyll is the microsporangia, which produce microspore, which later develops into pollen grain. Megastrobili. Megastrobili are the distinct larger female cones. Megastrobili also contains modified leaves or scales spirally arranged around a central axis, which are called megasporophylls. These megasporophylls contains ovules. Inside the ovules, there is megasporangium and an opening called micropyle. The megaspore develops into female gametophyte archegonia, where egg cell is produced. Reproduction in gymnosperms. Reproduction in gymnosperms begins with pollination. Pollination is the process where pollen grains are transferred from the male reproductive part to the female reproductive part. In case of gymnosperms, pollination takes place by wind. Next step is germination. Once the pollen grain lands on the ovule, it develops a tube-like structure called pollen tube, which enters through the micropyle of the ovule. Next step is fertilization, where the pollen tube delivers sperm to the egg situated within the archegonia. The fertilized egg becomes a diploid zygote, which develops into an embryo inside the ovule. This matures into a naked seed. Seeds are released in the environment by wind or by an animal action. Upon reaching a suitable substratum, they develop into a new plant. This is to be noted that asexual reproduction is extremely rare in gymnosperms. It happens occasionally via cuttings by humans. Let's now go through the importance of gymnosperms. Conifers are primary source of softwood used for construction, furniture and packaging, and are also used in the production of paper and plywood. Resins from conifers are used in turpentine, varnish and tannins. Gymnosperms are also used in the production of medicines for cancer, asthma, bronchitis and nasal congestion. Seeds of certain pine are edible and starch from stems of cycas is used as sago. Gymnosperms are also important for carbon sequestration and prevention of soil erosion, especially in hilly areas. And we all know that gymnosperms are famously known as Christmas tree. Let's do a quick recap of this video. Gymnosperms means naked seeds because these plants do not produce fruit and their seeds remain exposed to the environment. Most widespread gymnosperms are conifers, which are mostly found in cold, snowy mountains, whereas cycads are found in tropical and subtropical region. The main plant body is vascular, dominant diploid sporophyte. Plant body is divided into root, woody stem, and leaves. Reproductive structures are microstrobili, which are smaller male cones, and megastrobili, which are bigger female cones. Sexual reproduction is the main method of reproduction. Gymnosperms are used in the production of furniture, medicines, varnishes, and tannins. With this, I am ending this video. In our next video, we will discuss about the division angiosperms. Till then, happy self-study and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.